Okay, my question is, Blue Star Online talks about everything entertainment. So, from your perspective, how do you think the platform will change the way people connect and enjoy digital luxury?
Well, for me, entertainment is always evolving. You know, everything's online now. That's how we work, that's how we shop, that's how we unwind. You know? Parang for me, it's about evolving experiences. You know, may it be streaming movies or, you know, TV shows or shopping. Parang for me, this is just another facet of that digital space. And again, I think it's good to have options and get to have a choice, but do it responsibly. And again, in moderation.
Thank you. And how about
Actually, totoo yung sinabi ni Ate Bea, napapaisip natin ako kasi lahat talaga nag-evolve, lahat bago. So, paano ito makakapagbago sa atin lahat? I think it's how you really do it, how you really enjoy in moderation and in control and responsibly is how it will change po for everyone. Thank you.
okay, thank you so much.
Maraming salamat po, ma'am. Alright, more questions, please. Grabe, very well-spoken si Miss Bea and Miss Andre.
Kasi naka 10 hours to sleep na.
Ano talaga?
Bakit pa 3 hours na?
Naka 3 hours, I think mapapa...
Sabaw-sabaw lang.
Si Ate Bea na po sa Kasi naka 10 hours to sleep.
I love that so much. 10 hours of sleep pala talaga dapat ang goal.
No, 10 hours.
Totoo.
So you don't feel sluggish? Hindi ka parang...
Kaya nga Englishera ako tonight.
Englishera halata.
Englishera halata.
Alright, more questions, please. Please introduce yourself and go on ahead with the question.